हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्लास 10th ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, इंट्रोडक्शन टू ट्रिग्नोमेट्री। क्लास 10th में ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के दो चैप्टर्स हैं, एक है इंट्रोडक्शन टू ट्रिग्नोमेट्री और दूसरा चैप्टर है एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री। ट्रिग्नोमेट्री मैथमेटिक्स की वो ब्रांच है जो ट्रायंगल्स के साइड्स और एंगल्स के मेजरमेंट से डील करती है, साइड्स और एंगल के मेजरमेंट से डील करती है। तो ठीक है, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री को पहले हम समझेंगे, उसका इंट्रोडक्शन देखेंगे, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री है क्या, उसके बेसिक्स क्या हैं, और उसके बेसिक्स को समझ जाने के बाद जो नेक्स्ट चैप्टर है वो है एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री। तो सो वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फर्स्ट। तो आवर टॉपिक इज trigonometry. As we know, trigonometry, it is made up of trigonometry. So tri means three, gono means sides, metry means measurement. So measurement of three sides is known as trigonometry. Measurement of three sides means nothing else, triangle. Measurement of three side का मतलब है यहाँ पे कि triangles की बात हो रही है। Let's take a right angle triangle ABC. ये एक right angle triangle है ABC। अभी अपने क्लास 10th के डिस्कशन में हम अपने ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के टॉपिक को केवल राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल तक ही लिमिटेड रखेंगे। ओके, तो इसके लिए हम लेंगे एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल जो एंगल B पे राइट एंगल है। एंगल B इज 90 डिग्री, सो इट इज राइट एंगल एट एंगल B. एंगल A एंड एंगल C आर एक्यूट एंगल. एंगल A एंड एंगल C आर एक्यूट. एज वी नो कि अगर एंगल B 90 डिग्री है तो एंगल A और एंगल C दोनों ही 90 डिग्री से कम ही होंगे, छोटे ही होंगे, सिंपली बिकॉज एंगल A प्लस एंगल B प्लस एंगल C इज इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री. अगर ये तीनों मिल के 180 डिग्री है और ये अकेला 90 है तो ये दोनों मिला के 90 है, ये दोनों कंबाइन होके 90 है, मीन्स ये अकेला 90 से कम है, अकेला 90 से कम है. सो दीज आर एक्यूट एंगल. एंड एज वी ऑलरेडी नो द साइड अपोजिट टू लार्जेस्ट एंगल, largest angle will be greater or larger. So the value of this angle is 90 degree and this is the greatest angle. The value is maximum. So the side opposite to this angle is maximum and this is also known as hypotenuse in case of right angle triangle. This side is known as hypotenuse. Now we are going to find out the trigonometric ratios. The first topic of this chapter is to discuss trigonometric ratios. So we have to discuss the T ratios. In short, we will call them T ratios. Okay. इन रेशियोज को T ratios भी शॉर्ट में कह सकते हैं और ये trigonometric ratios हैं. क्या हैं trigonometric ratios? बेसिकली 6 ratios हैं हमारे पास. तो we will begin with sine, cosine. I will give a little space to them. Sine, then there is cosine, then there is tangent. Basically ये 3 ratios हैं और बाकी 3 इन्हीं के reciprocals हैं. Sine, cosine, tangent, secant. Fifth one is cosecant. And the 6th one is cotangent or cotangent. We can say it cotangent. This is tangent, this is cotangent. So what is sine? Sine, cosine, tangent, secant, cosecant. And these are abbreviated as sine only. We will not write it SINE sine complete, we will abbreviate is as sine. तो हम इसे सिर्फ abbreviate करेंगे, sine लिखेंगे. ओके, तो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज हैं क्या? ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस हैं, ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज हैं, 6 रेशियोज, और हम इन्हीं को फाइंड आउट करते हैं. तो पहला ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज साइन है, दूसरा कोसाइन है, टेंजेंट है, सेकेंड है, कोसेकेंट है एंड कॉर्जेंट है। तो लेट्स बिगिन विद एंगल ए। ये रेशियोज हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे एक्यूट एंगल के लिए। एनी ऑफ द एक्यूट एंगल, एंगल ए के लिए कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं या फिर एंगल सी के लिए कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं। इसके लिए हमें रेशियोज कैलकुलेट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है क्योंकि ये सारे ही रेशियोज, दीज ऑल रेशियोज आर फंक्शंस, दीज ऑल रेशियोज आर फंक्शंस। As you know, fx equals to x square plus x plus 1. This is a function. So what does a function means? X is a variable of the function. If we enter the value of x to the function, it will give some value. But angle B is 90 degree, so it has a constant value. तो एंगल B के लिए हम ये रेशियोज नहीं निकालेंगे। चलिए ये बाद में भी डिस्कस कर लेंगे ये टॉपिक। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें अभी यहीं पे कंसंट्रेट करना है कि हमें ये जो एंगल्स हैं, एंगल ए के लिए और एंगल सी के लिए, दोनों के लिए रेशियोज निकालने हैं। सो कैलकुलेट साइन ए, और इसका मतलब है कि साइन ऑफ एंगल ए एंड द फॉर्मूला इज साइड अपोजिट टू एंगल ए डिवाइडेड बाय हाइपोटेनस। साइड अपोजिट टू एंगल ए डिवाइडेड बाई हाइपोटेनस, ये किसका फॉर्मूला है? ये साइन फंक्शन का फॉर्मूला है। साइन ऑफ एंगल ए मीन्स साइड अपोजिट टू एंगल ए डिवाइडेड बाई हाइपोटेनस। ओके, तो लेट्स बिगिन विथ साइड अपोजिट टू एंगल ए। विच साइड इज अपोजिट टू एंगल ए? दिस इज BC, राइट, BC divided by hypotenuse. Which one is hypotenuse? AC. So sin A equals to BC upon AC. This is the first trigonometric ratio. How we will read it? Sine of angle A. This doesn't mean that sine multiplied by A. This is a sine ratio of angle A. Sine ratio of angle A means side opposite to angle A divided by hypotenuse. Next, cosine. It is also abbreviated as cos A. So we will write it as cos A. What does it mean? It means that cosine of angle A. And the formula is side adjacent to angle A divided by hypotenuse. What is the formula for cos A? Cosine of A. Cosine of angle A is side adjacent to angle A divided by hypotenuse. Okay, side adjacent to angle A. So let's look at the side adjacent to angle A. This is angle A. यही angle A है. Adjacent side means angle A से लगी हुई जो sides है. तो यहाँ दो sides angle A से touch करती हैं, AC and AB. But AC is hypotenuse. AC is already defined. It is hypotenuse. So what will be the side adjacent? That will be AB. कौन सी साइड बची? AB बची, तो ये जो AB साइड है ये साइड एडजेसेंट है। So this is AB upon what is hypotenuse? AC. This is cosine of angle A. Sine of angle A, then cosine of angle A. Simple. यहाँ तक simple है. Okay. Next. Begin with next. Tangent. It is also abbreviated as tan A. So what does it mean? Tangent of angle A. Tangent of angle A has a formula side opposite to angle A divided by side adjacent to angle A. This is the tan function. This is the tan ratio. Tan of angle A is side opposite to angle A and side adjacent to angle A. Just look at the side opposite to angle A. This is the same. Side opposite to angle A is in front of angle A. Side opposite to angle A is BC. So we will write BC here. And side adjacent to angle A, as we already have discussed, this is hypotenuse and this is the side adjacent. Okay. BC upon AB. These are the basic three ratios, basic three trigonometric ratios, and these rest threes are the reciprocals of these ratios. This is a technique to remember these ratios. You have to remember these three very well. You have to remember the formula of these three. If you have learned the formula of these three, you can learn the formula of rest 3 by reciprocating them. Only by reciprocating them. If I want to find out the cosecant, so the reciprocal of sine, I will just rewrite them again. Write it here. Sine, and the reciprocal of sine is the fourth ratio, cosecant, and this will abbreviated as cosec. So cosec A. The next ratio is cosec of angle A. So cosecant of angle A will be reciprocal of sine of angle A. Cosec of angle A will be reciprocal of sine of angle A. So reciprocal means you have to reciprocate the formula here. So reciprocate that formula. Hypotenuse upon side opposite to angle A. This will become the formula for cosecant. So we have to learn these three ratios by heart, and after learning these three, we can reciprocate the rest three. This is the technique. You can memorize all the 6. That will be better for you. But if we had only these first 3, we can reciprocate the rest 3. Hypotenuse upon side opposite. Okay, I should write here. Hypotenuse is AC upon side opposite is BC. So what is ratio for cosecant of angle A? Cosecant of angle A का मतलब है hypotenuse upon side opposite to angle A. So AC upon BC. और देखिए ये साइन का जस्ट रेसिप्रोकल है. कोसेक A साइन A का रेसिप्रोकल है. ओके, नेक्स्ट रेशियो. नेक्स्ट रेशियो ऊपर लिख लेते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे स्पेस का मैनेजमेंट का. सो द फिफ्थ रेशियो इज सेकेंड. दैट्स व्हाट्स कोसेकेंट. कोसाइन रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ कॉस इज सेकेंड. Sec A means secant of angle A, and this will become the reciprocal of cos A. Reciprocal of cos A. So cos A reciprocate it hypotenuse upon side adjacent to angle A. Which side is hypotenuse? That is AC, and side adjacent is AB. And the final one is cot A. Cotangent, read as cotangent of angle A, and that will be reciprocal of tan A. So tan A is side opposite to angle A, side adjacent to angle A. Reciprocate it. What will happen? Side adjacent to angle A, side adjacent to angle A divided by side opposite to angle A, and this will become side adjacent to angle A is AB, and side adjacent to angle A is side opposite to angle A is BC. So AB upon BC. These are the formulas, and you have to remember these formulas, all 6 formulas, and you can memorize all 3 formulas, and after these 3 formulas we can write it down for the next formulas. Okay, just erase it down. Again we will find these same ratios. यही same ratios जो हमें एंगल A के लिए फाइंड किए थे, अब हम एंगल C एक्यूट एंगल के लिए फाइंड करते हैं. तो let's find these ratios for angle C. Then sin C. What will happen? What does it mean by sin C? Side opposite to angle C. The formula will side opposite to angle C. पहले क्या formula था? Side opposite to angle A के लिए निकालते हैं तो side opposite to angle A. C के लिए निकालेंगे तो side opposite to angle C. Divided by hypotenuse. Plain है, simple है. ओके, क्या बनेगा रेशियो? साइड अपोजिट टू एंगल C is AB और हाइपोटेनस है AC। नेक्स्ट cos C, cosine of angle C, what will happen? Cosine of angle C means side adjacent to angle C, this one, because this is hypotenuse, so this is side adjacent, BC upon AC। The formulas are same, आप पीछे देख सकते हैं, जो फॉर्मूले आपने नोट किए होंगे, नोट करना चाहिए उन्हें, otherwise you can revise that video। tan C, tangent of angle C, tangent of angle C means, what was the formula for tangent? Side opposite to angle C divided by side adjacent to angle C. So side opposite to angle C is AB and divided by side adjacent to angle C is BC. These are the simple formulas. So these three formulas are given here: sine AB upon AC, cos BC upon AC, and AB upon AC. These are for the angle C: sine C, cos C, and tan C. Now the fourth one is cosec C, cosecant of angle C. What will be the formula? Reciprocal of this, sine C, hypotenuse upon side opposite. So hypotenuse is AC upon AB. You can directly reciprocate them. Similarly, tan C. Similarly, sec C will become reciprocal of cos C, AC upon BC, and 6 cot C will become reciprocal of tan, so BC upon AB। तो यहाँ ये क्लियर है कि हमें ये रेशियोज किस एंगल के लिए निकालने हैं, उस एंगल के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से हम देखेंगे कौन सी साइड अपोजिट बनती है और कौन सी साइड एडजेसेंट बनती है। द होल डिस्कशन here is depend on to identify which side is opposite to angle and which side is adjacent to the angle, और इसको clearly identify करेंगे। AC is the largest side and you can identify it very easily because it is the largest one, hypotenuse, greatest angle के opposite side largest होगी, वही hypo है, that is clear। इसे identify करना कोई मुश्किल काम नहीं है। Side opposite means side opposite and side adjacent means एंगल ए से लगी हुई जो साइड है, साइड ए को जो एडजेसेंट साइड है, एडजेसेंट मीन्स जो एक दूसरे से लगी हुई साइड्स हैं, तो एंगल ए से लगी हुई साइड्स हैं ए बी और ए सी। ए सी को हम नहीं लेंगे बिकॉज इट इज ऑलरेडी डिफाइंड एज हाइपोटेनस, तो कौन बचा? ए बी। ए बी इज साइड एडजेसेंट। अगर हम एंगल सी के साइड एडजेसेंट ले रहे हैं तो ए सी इज हाइपोटेनस, क्योंकि दो साइड एंगल सी को एडजेसेंट हैं, एंगल सी के एडजेसेंट दो साइड है, ए सी एंड बी सी। सो हम ए सी को नहीं लेंगे बिकॉज इट इज ऑलरेडी डिफाइंड एज हाइपोटेनस, हम किसको लेंगे? बी सी, सिंपली। तो व्हाट आर द रेशियोज? रेशियोज बहुत सिंपल हैं, इनके फॉर्मूले हमें ध्यान रखने हैं, और एंगल ए और एंगल सी के लिए। अभी जो मैंने इनिशियली आपको बताया था कि एंगल बी के लिए भी हम ये रेशियोज कैलकुलेट करेंगे क्या, तो B के लिए ये रेशियोज कैलकुलेट करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। फॉर एंगल B हम रेशियोज कैलकुलेट नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि एंगल B इज इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री। सो एंगल B इज अ 90 डिग्री, इट इज़ अ कांस्टेंट एंड ईच फंक्शन हैज़ अ फिक्स्ड वैल्यू फॉर इट, फिक्स्ड वैल्यू। तो इसके लिए हम फंक्शन कैलकुलेट नहीं करेंगे। जब हम वैल्यूज़ को कैलकुलेट कर रहे होंगे 0 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, तो उस टाइम पे इस डिस्कशन को हम दोबारा कंटिन्यू करेंगे कि वाई वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट, वाई वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू फाइंड द रेशियोज फॉर दिस एंगल, बिकॉज इट हैज़ अ, दीज ऑल रेशियोज आर अ फंक्शन एज y इज इक्वल्स टू x प्लस समथिंग। These are the function, you know the algebraic function. These are known as trigonometric functions. You are well familiar with algebraic functions from your previous classes. Now we are going to introduce you with the new type of functions. These functions are known as trigonometric functions. We are just calling them trigonometric ratios, but as you will grow up, you will come to know about these, that these are trigonometric functions. So what function is? Function has some variable and some constant, and algebraic functions has some variable and some constant. Similarly, the trigonometric functions also has some variables. Because angle C may take any value from 0 to 90, and if it varies between 0 to 90, the value of sine C will also vary accordingly. So sine C is a function. Sine C is a function of angle C. Okay, sine C is a function of angle C, because the value of sine C varies with variation in value of angle C. This angle always remains constant at 90 degree, because we should take the right angle triangle here. हमें यहाँ पे right angle triangle लेना है. So if right angle triangle is taken, so one angle has a fixed value. So we are not going to define the function for that. There is no need to define the functions. Okay, we will discuss this further. Just note it down. Pause the video. You can pause this and note them down. Next. So find it out. What are the all ratios? Just write them again once more to understand them. Sine A equals to side opposite to angle A, BC upon hypotenuse AC. And if I write sine C, then what will happen? Side opposite to angle C now. This is AB upon hypotenuse AC. Second ratio cos A. So side adjacent to angle A, AB upon hypo AC. Sorry, cos C, side adjacent to angle C. This is BC upon AC. Now third, tan A. What will happen? Tan A, side opposite to angle A, BC upon side adjacent to angle A, AB. And if I write tan for angle C, so side opposite to angle C, AB upon side adjacent to angle C, BC. Yes. And next, the fourth one. Anyone may taken as fourth one. It's not necessary that fourth one is a cosec or sec or anyone. Sec A is known as, sec A is reciprocal of cos A. So AC upon AB. Sec C is reciprocal of cos C, that is AC upon BC. Now the fifth one is cosec A, abbreviated as cosec A. Cosec A is reciprocal of sin A, so AC upon BC, and cosec C is reciprocal of sin C, AC upon AB. And the sixth, the final one, cotangent, or abbreviated as cot A. Cot A. Cot A is reciprocal to tan A, so it will become AB upon BC. AB upon BC. And cot of angle C. Cot of angle A is AB upon BC, so cot of angle C will reciprocal of tan of angle, to BC upon AB. These are the formula. So what we have to write here? These three things, these three formulas we have to memorize, these three formulas, and rest threes are reciprocal of these. So let's take a note of it. And just one more point we have to remember. This is a function and reciprocal. Sine is a function, it has a reciprocal of cosec. Okay, sine A has a reciprocal of cosec A. Cos A has a reciprocal of sec A. Tan A has a reciprocal of cot A. And similarly for any angle as sin C reciprocal cosec C. Cos C reciprocal sec C. Tan C reciprocal cot C. So if you memorize these three formulas and their reciprocals, the ratios will be very, very easy for you. I will recommend you to memorize these formulas as they are written in NCERT. But if you feel some difficulty, then there are some shortcut tricks to remember that, as PBP upon HHB type. We will discuss them later because I want you to remember the standard form of these formulas in a standard manner. Okay. Next, type of question. Now we will discuss type of problems जो हमें इस पे मिलेंगी. किस टाइप की प्रॉब्लम्स होंगी? टेस्ट एग्जाम्पल्स में या बुक्स के जो क्वेश्चंस हैं एक्सरसाइज में, उसमें आप ये देख सकते हैं. आपको कोई राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल दिया होगा और उसमें आपको सपोज ये साइड 3 गिवन है और ये साइड 5 गिवन है. हाइपोटेनस इज गिवन एंड दिस इज गिवन, और आपको सभी रेशियोज कैलकुलेट करने. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट ऑल द रेशियोज. इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस हो सकते हैं रेशियोज से रिलेटेड, या फिर मोस्ट पॉपुलर जो क्वेश्चंस है वो इस तरह के होते हैं कि आपको वन ऑफ द रेशियोज, कितने रेशियोज हमने सीखे हैं? 6 रेशियोज. तो उसमें से वन ऑफ द रेशियोज आपको गिवन होगा और रेस्ट रेशियोज आपको फाइंड करने होंगे उस पर्टिकुलर एंगल के लिए. तो एक प्रॉब्लम हम यहाँ पे डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. इफ sin C equals to 3/5. If sin C is equals to 3/5, find cos C, cot C, cosec C, etc. ये 3 वैल्यूज फाइंड करो. इफ sin C is 3/5, if sin C is 3/5, and you have to find out all these values. So first of all, we will draw a triangle for this. Sin C equals to 3/5. So look at the information what is given. This is the information and this is the challenge. Every mathematical problem has a problem with some information. You are provided with information and you are asked some challenge. Okay. Now I have to find cos C, sorry. If I want to find cos C, so what I need? Side adjacent to angle C. Remember the formula. Just memorize the formula. Side adjacent to angle C divided by hypotenuse. So sine of angle C is given. That means C is some acute angle in any right angle triangle. So first of all, we need to draw a right angle triangle to find out anything. Because if you want to find out cos C, we need to find side adjacent to angle C. cos C को फाइंड करने के लिए साइड एडजेसेंट टू एंगल C फाइंड करनी होगी. साइड एडजेसेंट टू एंगल C फाइंड करने के लिए हम सबसे पहले एक ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. इट इज ABC, राइट एंगल दैट C. जब भी हम ये ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ कर रहे होंगे तो हमें ये ध्यान रखना है कि एंगल C 90 डिग्री नहीं हो सकता, because angle C has some sine value of 3/5. So angle C is any acute angle. It will be given in the questions it will be mentioned in the question that angle C is some acute angle, because हम ratios किसके लिए लिखते हैं, acute angles के लिए लिखते हैं. तो angle C is acute angle, तो C हम यहाँ नहीं place कर सकते. C यहाँ हो सकता है, C यहाँ हो सकता है. Okay. Anyway, what is given? Given sin C equals to 3/5. What is the formula for sin C? Side opposite to angle C divided by hypotenuse. Is it the formula? Yes, this is the formula. So this means that 3 is side opposite to angle 3. Simply 3/5. sin C अगर 3/5 है तो इसका मतलब है कि जो 3 है वो side opposite to angle C है. Side opposite to angle C. Just look at the side opposite to angle C. This is 3. And upon 5, so hypotenuse. Sine है ना, upon में कौन होगा, denominator में कौन होगा, hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is there. 5 will become hypotenuse. And now I have to find the cos C. For cos C, I need to find side adjacent to angle C. Now look at the side adjacent to angle C. This is angle C and there are two sides adjacent to it, AC and BC. AC is already taken as, it is well defined, well identified as hypotenuse. So the remaining side BC is the side adjacent to angle C. I'm not going to write it here because for angle A it will change. Okay. So angle C, side opposite to angle C, that is 3. I have to find out side adjacent, means BC upon 5. So I have to find out BC, let it X. And just try to find it out. So we all are hero of it. We all know Pythagoras Theorem. Yes? Very simple. If we know any two sides of a right angle triangle, we can find out the third one by the application of, yes, Pythagoras Theorem. Okay. So according to Pythagoras Theorem, what is the statement of Pythagoras Theorem actually? Exactly. What exactly Pythagoras Theorem is? Pythagoras Theorem is square of hypotenuse is equals to sum of squares of other two sides. Sum of squares of other two sides. So square of hypotenuse is equals to square of sum of squares of other two sides. So squares of other two sides are AB square and BC square. Sum of them. So square of hypotenuse is sum of the squares of other two sides. Okay. So let's find it out. Just put the values here. 5 square equals to AB 3 square plus X square. So I have to find out X. This is my variable. So I have to transfer 3 here. 5 square minus, here it was plus, it will become minus. These are basic mathematical fundamentals and hoping all these are clear. 5 square minus 3 square, X square. Let's flip it to make it traditional. 5 square minus 3 square. Then what will happen here? Just calculate it. X square equals to 25 minus 9. So X square equals to 16. I do have find X square equals to 16. And it's very simple thing. It's not a burden for the 10th class student, but I'm just explaining it once more for the few of you. Okay, for the few. You know the few. X square equals to 16. So I want to find out X. How will it find out? Take root both sides. How will it become X? X square X कैसे बन सकता है जब हम उसको अंडर रूट कर देंगे? तो हमें अंडर रूट करना होगा 16 को भी. X equals to plus minus 4. Because if x square is 16, that means x equals to either plus 4 or minus 4. Plus 4 into plus 4 also becomes 16. Minus 4 into minus 4 is also positive 16. So plus minus 4. And we will take x equals to 4. X equals to 4. We are not going to take x equals to negative 4. This is invalid. Why it is invalid? Because this is a side of a right angle triangle. If there is a right angle triangle in nature, any of its side never become negative, never can be negative. So x is equals to negative 4 is invalid for us. The only valid value is x equals to 4. So we have find out the value of BC now. Now it's very simple to find out the cos C. Cos C equals to 4 upon 5. What is the next problem? To find out cot C. It's very simple now. What is the formula for cot C? It is reciprocal of tan C. So side adjacent to C, BC, upon side opposite to C, side adjacent to C, BC, side opposite to C, AB. So BC upon AB, and cot C will become BC 4 upon 3. And no need to calculate these. Do yourself cos XC and rest other. Can you find out? It's the problem for you. Homework or the task for you. What is? This is the task to find all other ratios for angle A and angle C. तो ये आपके लिए टास्क है कि आप ये करके देखें. And we have to practice by our own to learn in a better way. तो हमें फाइंड करना है all these values. All values फाइंड करिए एंगल A के लिए और एंगल C के लिए. It's very simple. Can I find out cos A also? Yes, it's very simple. If I want to find out cos A, that will be side adjacent to angle A. Now we are considering angle A, so side adjacent to angle A. Once we have find out these three sides, it is very easy to find out the ratio for angle A and the ratio for angle C. Any of the ratio could easily be find out now. It's very easy to find it out now. So cos A will side adjacent to angle A, that is 3 upon side upon hypotenuse AC, 3 upon 5. So you can easily find out these ratios, all the ratios for angle C and all these ratios for angle A. And your first exercise is solely based on the ratios. And you have to master these ratios first of all. Okay? Focus on what I have discussed. Just try the questions given there in NCERT. I'm just taking few more questions here.